Avoiding these foods will help you ease the pain and discomfort associated with irritable bowel syndrome. Today's video discusses 9 foods that will make your irritable bowel syndromes worse.
Before you watch this video, please take a moment. Just subscribe our YouTube channel by clicking the subscribe button, then tap the bell icon so you will be the first to know when we post new videos daily.
1. Apples, peaches, bananas and berries. Insoluble fiber found in the skin of certain fruits and vegetables can aggravate symptoms of irritable bowel syndromes. Skip fruits like apple, peaches, pears, bananas and berries and replace them with dried fruits and brown rice. If you are totally craving an apple or peach, peel it first and eat only the flesh. 2. Grains. Any foods containing wheat and barley has gluten in it. Food allergies like gluten intolerance could be an underlying cause of irritable bowel syndrome, so cutting it out of your diet and could vastly improve your symptoms. 3. Dairy. The high fat content of many dairy products could cause bloating and pain for people with irritable bowel syndromes. Switch to low-fat or non-fat options to help ease the irritable bowel syndrome's symptoms. 4. Fried and fatty foods. It's hard for even the healthiest person to resist French fries, but for people with irritable bowel syndrome, fried foods can really irritate the intestines and even cause diarrhea. 5. Red meat. Red meat, including beef, pork, and lamb, is known for having a high fat content. Choose lean meat, including chicken and turkey, cold water fish such as salmon and tempeh as replacements. 6. Caffeine. The jolt that a morning cup of coffee brings might help you push through your day. But caffeine can cause lots of problems for people with irritable bowel syndrome. 7. Alcohol. Alcohol is incredibly irritating to your gastrointestinal systems and can also worsen dehydration caused by diarrhea, a common symptom of irritable bowel syndromes. Drink a cocktail like rum and coke and you are coding double trouble. 8. Carbonated drinks. Your favorite diet Coke drinks could play a major role in your irritable bowel syndromes. Although drinks like ginger ale are known to soothe the stomach, fizzy sodas and mineral water can worsen bloating and cause cramps. 9. Onion, garlic and broccoli. Vegetables like onions, garlic, broccoli and cauliflower can cause painful gas and bloating. Onions in particular contains a type of carbohydrate called fructans, which those with irritable bowel syndromes are encouraged to avoid. So what do you think of this important information? Let me know in our comment section below.
If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share with your friends. For more daily tips, subscribe to our channel below. Thank you.